In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. First of all, open the Binance application. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version and you are logged into your Binance account with the correct credentials. Once you are on the home screen, you will see different tabs at the bottom. Tap on the Wallets tab. On the next screen, a variety of different options will appear. At the top, you will see the Buy option. Tap on it. A pop-up will slide out from the bottom of the screen. Select Buy with PHP or any other currency that you want to use. A new screen will appear where you need to enter the amount of money you want to send to your Binance account. After entering the amount, choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy, for example USDT. Next, tap on Pay with to proceed. A menu will appear on the screen containing a list of cards linked to your Binance account. If you have already added your Payoneer card, simply select it from the list. After selecting it, tap on the Confirm option. If you haven't added your Payoneer card before, tap on Add New Card. Enter your Payoneer card details. After entering the details, tap on Confirm. Binance may ask for additional verification such as an OTP or email confirmation. Follow the prompts to complete the process. And this is how you can transfer money from Payoneer to Binance.